Hi guys, in this tutorial we will see how to run React application by using VS Code. If you remember, since our previous video we were opening our React application by using command prompt. Let me show you. First of all, we had here command prompt, and we had to move in our drive. Let's see, this is my E drive, and here I had to move into the folder and so on. This was basically a whole code, and this was the wastage of time. So in today's tutorial we will see that how to run React application by using VS Code. So you can see that right now the folder which is opening is named as COVID app. So first of all, I have to move in three dots, and here I have to move in terminal, and whenever I move in terminal I will see a new drop down, and here I can have an option which is known as new terminal. This is also a shortcut key, that control plus shift plus back T. So if you don't wanna make any shortcut key, then you can simply open it by using new terminal, and you can see that this is automatically path. This is basically the path of the folder that is opening at the time being. So let me show you the most easy shortcut. Just press Ctrl plus J, and you can see that this is still opening by using Ctrl plus J. And if you want to minimize that command prompt, just write Ctrl plus J again. You can see that this terminal is now minimized. I'm first going to start the React application. So I'm going to write here Ctrl plus J, and here I have to write node package manager start, and you can see that it is going to start now, and it will also take shorter time than our command prompt. So just wait for a second. It is opening soon. So it is so far faster as compared to our command prompt. So it is also easy that we had a complete path by default. VS Code built-in function that by using terminal we can open any React application. So you can see that it is now working, and just wait for the moment. It will automatically redirect us to the output page. Just wait. So you can see that it is started now, and if I move here it is loading, and after its complete loading you will see its output. Basically we were working on a project, so it will show our project here. I'm just writing again Ctrl plus J to minimize that terminal. And let me see, it is still taking some time for loading. So just wait until it is successfully loaded. So this was basically the power of VS Code terminal, that without moving into command prompt we can simply open our React application by using VS Code terminal. So I'm going to minimize that command prompt because we don't need command prompt more. And from onward videos we will say all the applications of React applications, we will open all the applications by using this terminal. And you can see that our application is opened. We were working on that application. So this was basically the output. And now I suppose you came to know that how to open React application by using VS Code terminal.